Let's leave it there, but it doesn't end there. Because if poisonous air wasn't bad enough, now there is another problem in the national capital of filthy water that has turned Delhi into what some people are calling a toxicity. The water in the river Yamuna is frothing with rancid foam. And at the time of Chhath Puja, politicians are busy playing the blame game. Aam Aadmi Party alleging that neighbouring BJP-ruled Haryana is releasing poisonous water into the Yamuna. BJP saying that the Kejriwal government is to blame. Take a look.
Layer of toxic foam, thick poisonous froth. Doomsday scenes due to a rise in ammonia levels in River Yamuna. After battling toxic air, the national capital Delhi is fighting toxic water. From its lifeline turned scourge, the Yamuna River. Filth swamped faith in the national capital. As hundreds of devotees marking Chhath were forced to take a holy dip in these toxic waters. Braving the white foam, muck and stink, they actually chose to do this. Owing to the hazardous conditions, the Delhi Disaster Management Body had restricted devotees from celebrating Chhath Puja on the banks of the Yamuna. But every year, during Chhath Puja, images of devotees standing in waist-deep toxic foam in the river grab the spotlight. But nothing changes for the river itself.
People, not just from nearby areas, but from further away, have come here to this polluted Okhla barrage of the Yamuna because they say that the ritual, the niyam, is something that they must follow. But as you can see, it is very clear that the Yamuna is not clean enough for the ritual or even for the safety of the women and children who are here for these pujas.
सरकार के तो इतना पब्लिक कह के थक गए, लेकिन कुछ तो करते नहीं है सरकार के क्या कह के क्या फायदा है? क्या करो, सरकार ने ये बनाया तो उसी पानी में नहाएंगे, बढ़िया पानी कहाँ से लाएंगे?
Politics, meanwhile, has erupted over the Yamuna's pollution levels. BJP MP Manoj Tiwari rode a boat into the toxic foam-covered Yamuna, attacking the Aam Aadmi Party government's failure to keep the Yamuna clean. The BJP MP did a symbolic cleaning of the holy river and sought the dismissal of the Kejriwal government in Delhi. BJP MP Parvesh Verma performed rituals and launched preparations for Chhath Puja at the Yamuna Ghat despite a ban. The Congress attacked Kejriwal for abandoning Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party government appeared to be on the back foot.
2013 में दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री पहली बार जब बने थे अरविंद केजरीवाल, तभी बोला है और लगभग हर चैनल को बोला है कि हम अभी आए हैं, लेकिन 5 साल दीजिए, जमुना में हम सबके साथ खुद डुबकी लगाएंगे। आइए डुबकी लगाइए ना अरविंद केजरीवाल।
जमुना के अंदर जो पानी अभी झाग वाला आया, हरियाणा से आया, जहरीला पानी हरियाणा से छोड़ा गया, जहाँ बीजेपी की सरकार है। तो पहले जो है घाट पे मना किया गया, फिर 2 दिन पहले जहरीला पानी छोड़ा गया हरियाणा से, जहाँ बीजेपी है, और बीजेपी के सांसदों को आज घाट पे पहुंचा करके बाइट दिलवाई गई।
हमारे त्योहारों को वो राजनीति के ऊपर में चढ़ा देते हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए। जब उनको वोट चाहिए तब तो आप उनकी वोट के लिए कोई भी झूठ बोल देंगे, और जब उनका त्योहार आता है तो पाबंदी लगा देंगे, तो ये तो बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जा सकता।
Delhi, which has been choking on hazardous air, now has to face its perennial problem of a toxic Yamuna spewing toxic froth and drawing in the devotees non-stop. With Anisha Mathur and Sushant Mehra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.